Hi guys, this exercise is an introduction to dollar yield. It's a foundational management skill, and so using this simple guideline should give you a window into exactly how dollar yield is used to determine how much product we should have, order, prep, and have prepared for serving based on projected sales. This first module just simply walks you through the process of calculating the yield versus sales. So using historical data, we have here net sale, discount, and coupon, and essentially we absolutely would need the gross sale to make this work. So dollar yield includes all of the components that make up the sales, all right? Because even if you gave away a product with a coupon, you still would need to count that into as a part of how you determine how much product should be cooked. So we would need to total these three numbers here to arrive at our gross sale. And so with that total out, we should have, let's just call this gross sale. This number should be 4688 in gross sale. All right. Now, what the dollar yield is actually going to tell us is what's the relationship between one piece of chicken and the gross sale. Now, once we calculate that, what's important to avoid is the assumption that the chicken produces this total number here. That's not the case. If you sold $4,688, this number here, within this item we sold chicken, that's classic chicken, we sold spicy chicken, we sold French fries, we sold 4-ounce beef, 2-ounce beef, salads, and drinks. So all of those numbers are the components of this number here, but we're just going to figure out what's the relationship between one piece of chicken and sales so that we can project how many chicken we should have as we make the sale. So to make that work, we would actually just simply divide the gross sale, all right, gross sale divided by the item. And that tells us, gives us how much sales would be equal to 1 unit of the product. All right, pretty bad writing here, but bear with me. So in this case, we would go 4688 for chicken divided by 350, and what we arrive at is $13.39. What this is telling us is that for every $13.39 in sales, we use one piece of chicken. That is classic chicken. Therefore, if we were going to, we had a large hour, we have a projected large hour of, let's say, $600, all right? We projected a large hour of $600. We would need to determine how much chicken we would need to cook within this 1 hour period, right? We would say $600 divided by 13.39, and that is going to equal 44.81. Or in other words, we need 45 pieces of chicken to make $600 in sales. Now, I want you guys to calculate the same for each item. So go ahead and work this step for spicy chicken. Tell me what you have. French fries. And then tell me what you have. You're going to come back with the number. Go ahead, pause the video, calculate this, and come back. All right, guys. You've worked these, and let's see what you have. So essentially, the steps you should have followed would have been the gross sale, which would have been for spicy chicken, would have been $46.88 divided by 210, and you should have arrived at 22.32. That means for every $22 in sale and 32 cents in sale, you need one piece of spicy chicken. For French fries, following the same step, $46.88 divided by, we're going to do this first step, a case. So we would divide this by 15, and you should have arrived at $312.53. So for every $312.53, you need one case of French fries. Now, I want you to pause the video and calculate the same for bags of French fries. Let's convert this to bags of French fries to see what the relationship is between French fries instead of case, bag amount. All right, go ahead and pause the video, make that calculation. We come back. Let's see what we have for French fries. We're using bags. So what you should have done is $46.88, which is our gross sale, divided by 15 cases of French fries. So that would be 15 times 6, right? 15 times 6 gives us 90 bags, is what you would have used here. This number is actually the same as 90 bags, right? Equals the same as 15 case. So we divide this by 90, and you should have arrived at $52.09. What does that tell us? If you said for every $52 in sales, we used one bag of fries, you are correct. Good job. When we come back, we will use projections to determine how much product we need to make a specific large hour and day in sales.